All right, a dozen eggs that I scrambled and cooked. Now I'm coming in with some ground sausage that I cooked up already as well. Smells so delicious, you guys. Now I have here some mild cheddar blend. We're gonna put that right next to our sausage. Oh, this is gonna be the best breakfast you've ever had. And we're gonna use that whole bag of cheese. Delicious. Now for the best ingredient, I have this sausage gravy, country style, and we're gonna put that right here. Looks so creamy and delicious. Obviously you can make your own gravy if that's your style, but I personally love the Libby's country gravy, and I think we're gonna need a little bit more. I'm gonna use about a can and a half, and you could save the extra half a can for toppings after if you'd like, but I think that is perfect. All right, now it's time to go in with some seasoning. I have some garlic powder, and we're gonna sprinkle that right over the entire dish. Of course, we're gonna do some pepper. Oh yeah, we want this whole dish to be nice and seasoned. That pepper smells amazing and so fresh. This is gonna be delicious. Just a quick little brunch or breakfast if you're trying to feed a whole crowd. Now, of course, I'm gonna do some salt. You can skip the salt if you're worried about the sodium, but I'm using the pink Himalayan, which is a little bit healthier for you, so it should be no problem. And I made sure to get all of that grease off of the sausage, so it's not gonna be too bad on the health factor. All right, come back with our spatula, and now it's time to mix everything together. We want everything to be coated in that gravy. We kind of just want like a little scramble in here with all of our favorite things. Yummy. This is gonna be delicious. So I used the 1 pound sausage, and you can use whatever kind you like. You can use the Jimmy John's, you can use Kroger, you can use the Sage Jimmy John's. That one's personally my favorite. I use like some off-brand today, but I think it's delicious. Okay, just make sure to get everything coated in that gravy. Yes, and this is gonna cook super quick because the sausage is already cooked, the eggs are already cooked, so we really just need to heat everything up, get that cheese nice and melted, get the seasoning spreaded and all seeped in. Okay, let's go ahead and flatten this out. It looks like it's nice and mixed. That can and a half was the perfect amount. Yummy. Get the sides. Okay, now of course, we are not done yet. We have one more thing. Now what goes with sausage and gravy? Biscuits. Okay. Open this baby up. Woo! And then we are not just gonna put them on whole, we are actually gonna split them in half, because if you put them on whole, they will be too thick and won't cook evenly. So we're just gonna split them and place them right on top. It's gonna be kind of like a breakfast pot pie. Super easy, super delicious. Always a crowd pleaser. Great for, the holidays coming up. If you want like a Thanksgiving breakfast or a Christmas breakfast, this is so great. Takes barely any time and feeds so many people. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these biscuits split up. I like using the flaky layers because they already have the seams ready for you to cut or to split. Okay, one more biscuit. And then this thing is ready for the oven. Beautiful. All right, you guys, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for like 25 minutes. Oh my, okay, I love my biscuits a little crispy. Obviously you guys can pull yours out a little earlier, but you can't tell me that doesn't look so good. Our breakfast pot pie. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this one. Oh, that biscuit, okay. Ooh. Probably could have used a spoon for this, but here we are. Oh yeah, look at that. Yummy. Okay, this is gonna be delicious. That cheese. Oh, everything looks so good. Okay, let's get some of that biscuit, perfectly cooked, some yummy egg and some sausage. Perfect bite. So good.